Today we're going to address the front wheel. I'll clean the chrome with a wire brush and citrus cleaner and then polish with chrome polish and terry cloths. I highly suggest not using wire brushes on any CAD or zinc treated surfaces like the spokes. I like to leave the old tire on the rim during cleaning because it helps me to control the wheel. I'll put the wheel on a truing stand to see how bad it is. I'll spray the spoke nipples with WD-40 before I start. It helps to have a musical ear when truing a wheel. I listen for the looser spoke by plucking them to determine which spoke to tighten. We'll address any major dents in the rim with a jack. Let's hope it's not that bad. Need a bathroom break? I'm crossing my toes, my fingers, my legs, and my arms. I'll throw the bearings in carb cleaner and let them soak. I'll pack the clean bearings with marine grease and then reinstall them. I'll replace the rim strip, tube, and tire. I normally use a non-ammonia glass cleaner on the bead when mounting a new tire. It helps to seat it properly. Okay, let's get started. The wheel's actually pretty true, surprising, but If you listen carefully, little flat, pretty dead, little rattly, that's tight, flat, and then that spoke is really loose. So there's not going to be any real serious truing. We're just going to have to tighten up some of these loose spokes. That's pretty bad. So, not so bad. Actually in pretty good shape. Well, the front wheel came out pretty good. I decided I'm going to let the bearing soak in carb cleaner for a couple of days. So, what's next? We tackle the rear wheel. Your G-string's off. Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original once. Take care.